Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm hanging out with my boyfriend Mike, aka Husky.
Hey guys.
Hey, Husky. I'm gonna be putting his links down below, so go check him out, subscribe, show him some love, and also go follow him on his Instagram because you've actually been more active over there. I'm very proud. So for today's video, we are gonna be testing pizza gadgets. This is a video that I wanted to make for a really long time because we both love pizza. And that's why also Husky is the perfect guest today because he would eat pizza every day.
And before we met, I actually used to eat pizza every single day.
And I was like, that's great, but let's have a vegetable once in a while or a fruit or like a little bit of variety.
I mean, cheese is a vegetable. It grows on cheese trees.
Cheese is not a vegetable.
So it counts.
There's no cheese tree. Do not listen to this man. All right, so today we're gonna be testing a bunch of gadgets that I found online that look really cool, and I wanted to see if they would work.
I'm so excited because pizza to me is already perfect. So I'm wondering if these gadgets can somehow make pizza even better.
All right, let's bake some pizzas and cut some pizzas.
So the first gadget we're testing, it's called a premium non-stick extra large silicone pastry mat. I think this helps you like size your pizza and the pizza won't stick.
I'm really hoping that this is handy because I love baking mats. Oh, look at this!
And it comes with a scrunchy hair tie.
What?
Not sure why, but you can put your hair up.
There's really a scrunchie in here?
Maybe it's to hold it together when you roll it, but this is straight up made out of the stuff that like if you were to put up your hair, that is so funny.
I'm just gonna save this for later. I don't mind it. And then this mat is so cool. Like on the corners, it has the inches. You can see how big your pizza is. And then here, look, you can roll it out to be a certain inch pizza. Like you could do a 10-inch pizza, a 12-inch pizza. I love this.
For both of the pizza cookers that we have, it needs to be between 7 and 12 inches, so let's go to 12 inches.
Oh yeah, let's do a big pizza. So this is great. It like gives you a visual aid, and I love that it has the 12 on both sides. Okay, I wasn't expecting us to get a winner right away, but I think that this gadget may be a winner. All right, let's test gadget number 2.
The pizza docker.
Now, when you're baking a pizza at home, this is where you dock your pizza, poking a bunch of holes into the dough so that when the dough goes into the oven, heat can escape and you won't get big bubbles in your dough. It's called docking.
All right, pizza docker, here we go.
It just looks like a torture device.
Okay.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Look how satisfyingly even all these little dots are.
Now, let's test our first pizza oven. This gadget I'm a little concerned about.
So this is called the Pizzazz Plus, and it's a rotating pizza oven. And it heats and cooks from just this little, this little arm. So it doesn't seem like the most efficient.
The heat just comes down
and we got a really
and it just spins around?
We got a really cool action shot right here.
I'm so nervous about this.
Whoa, it says why it works so much better than a conventional oven.
Ooh!
It's even saying it's better than an oven.
Whoa! This box is really got something to say.
It kind of looks like a stand mixer in a way.
Oh, and this is kind of the oven right here. There's a coil on the top and the bottom, so this might work better than I was thinking, because I thought the heat was just coming from the top.
Okay, save these instructions.
No, it just needs to. I just want to know how to. Wait, listen. What's that clicking?
You can tell that it's properly in place by plugging the unit in.
Okay, plug that in and we'll see if it will.
It seems to be spinning.
Oh, we did it! Okay, well, let's get this pizza that we made.
I wonder if we should
just put it on here.
That's one way to do it.
Sauce, your favorite vegetable?
Yeah, this is my favorite vegetable. Have the beautiful cheese pizza on here.
It's ready to bake.
I think the timer has started.
Oh, it's getting warmer.
You can feel it?
Well, the air is a little bit warmer. So how long does this bake?
Total, it's gonna bake 19 minutes.
19 minutes.
But you have to do 15 on dual.
Okay.
And then 4 minutes on just the upper heat. I think to like melt the cheese and get that little golden brown.
All right, we're gonna let this sit and see what happens.
Okay.
Okay.
This is gonna be the longest 15 minutes of our lives. So we have about a minute left on the first timer, which was about 15 minutes.
Okay.
The crust is starting to puff up a little bit.
This is so fascinating to watch. I've never watched a pizza bake before.
Yeah.
So this is,
It
Four more
dings.
minutes. 4 more
It dings.
minutes.
Okay, so now we have to do just upper.
Okay.
And then 4 more minutes. All right, so 4 more minutes.
It's like,
There it is. Okay, so.
what do we do? I've
while
got
the-
mitts.
You've got the mitts. While the pan continues to rotate, use hot pads to carefully lift the baking pan off the rotating oven.
I just catch it while it's spinning?
Yeah, and careful not to hit the food onto the top. There we
Okay.
go. And
Shake
just
it
slide
on
them
there.
off of there.
Pizza is baked. We're gonna taste test it to see if it has worked. And we're gonna use another gadget. I think this is like the 4th gadget. This is a pizza cutter. I have a few of these today. So as we bake the pizzas, we'll use these as we go along. This one is a pizza cutter that looks like a power saw. And I thought that was really cute.
Okay, the dough feels a little soft.
All right. Ooh.
Okay, that kind of works.
How are you supposed to hold it?
Trying to figure, maybe if I hold it like this.
It's really little though. It's kind of a little grip. You're doing good.
It does work. I think definitely more of a novelty.
So not your favorite pizza slicer in the world. It's not your favorite, but
Not
it's
that
cute.
I've tried, but it does work.
All right.
Let's see if it cut all the way through. Yeah, it did. So it at least did its
Ooh, it's
job.
really hot.
It is so hot.
Oh, I don't know if that's cooked.
That is definitely not cooked.
So the dough in the middle is cooked, but the crust underneath, not quite. So for the Pizzazz Plus, I would say that you should pre-cook your crust for just a few minutes before you make a pizza, but I think it would work really well with frozen pizzas.
Yeah, it gets really hot. And
Yeah.
I feel like with frozen pizzas, they're designed to cook all at the same time. So I really think it would actually work for that.
And I thought it was cool that it had a built-in timer, but I didn't like that you had to do 2 different settings. Like you had to come back again and change the timer again and the settings
Yeah.
again. But it did work. That did surprise me.
Okay.
All right, let's try another pizza gadget. The next pizza gadget is another pizza oven. It is for a 12-inch pizza and it has a rotating pan inside. And this one's kind of a novelty one because it looks like a cute little pizza box. I prefer an at-home oven, but if you're living in a place like a dorm or an apartment that doesn't have a traditional oven, you would have to get a little oven to plug in and
Yeah.
try out. So I wanted to try a bunch of them to see which one's my favorite. And this one looks like a little waffle maker.
Yeah.
Like a little waffle iron, it closes.
So far, I like the design of this one. It's
Yeah,
more
me
compact.
too. I love it, let's try it.
Oh, and they have a handle right here ready to
Okay,
go.
oh.
Even the unboxing is easier so far. There we go. All right, there you go. If you could hold the tray.
Yes.
Here's some instructions.
Don't place appliance near flammable materials such as tablecloths, curtains, towels, papers, plastics, wood, or other.
Okay, well, we're on a wood table, but I'm gonna risk it.
I think that's okay.
We got this. All right, let's see what's inside. Not a pizza yet, but
Ooh.
okay. A little
You can
piece
take
of paper.
little notes.
Dear diary, today I made another pizza. Step 1, place a 12-inch or smaller pizza in non-stick rotating pan.
Okay, check. I'm gonna go an extra step here. I'm gonna test. I'm gonna put a few olives on,
good.
but I'll only put on half the pizza because I know you like a cheese pizza.
I'm all about no olives.
No preheating, so
You
we're just
just
gonna
open
pick
it up?
this up. Where? Just
You
anywhere?
just set it right in there. I think it just sits right on top. I don't even think it latches in. I think it
You
just like that.
Just that?
I think that's it.
Okay.
And then we close it. And then it says here, bake 20 to 22 minutes.
20 to 22 minutes. Now we just wait and see.
I want to open it up and see what's inside already.
No, it's like a surprise.
But you don't want to let the heat out.
And be careful, it's gonna be hot. It's
okay,
gonna be
okay,
hot.
don't get too close. Don't hug the pizza oven
Wait.
while it's...
Don't do that.
Okay, so there's a couple minutes left until it's done cooking.
I think there's been a lot of steam coming out of this box, so you definitely need to put it in a place away from everything else.
Yeah.
Like you can't have anything near it, and I think it's steam. You're right.
I'm hoping it's steam.
I don't think it's smoke. I do think it's steam. I have my fingers crossed. I hope it's gonna be like a really cute pizza. And then to cut it, I'm gonna be trying another pizza cutting gadget. This is a scissor and like a scoop at the same time.
I've seen these online. I don't know
I've never tried one,
if they
though.
work. I've never had the urge to use scissors on a pizza, but maybe it'll work.
Oh
That was the ding.
my gosh,
Here
this
we
is
go.
like an unboxing.
Whoa, okay.
Oh, it's so hot.
It is very cooked.
Oh, I can feel the heat.
Watch out, we're coming in.
Oh,
Here we go.
Oh,
Oh man, this pan is so hot.
Be careful, be careful.
Oh man,
be
that is
careful,
definitely a little over.
careful.
Okay, let's close it so we don't burn ourselves. Well,
Woo!
maybe cooked it a little too long. This was following the instructions.
That smells good.
It does smell good.
Smells really good. All right, let me give these scissors a go.
Could you cut me a slice? Here, I'll help you out.
So first you gotta,
Really get it in there.
Did I lock them?
I think you did.
There's like a, is this a safe?
Oh, well.
Oh,
just
let
don't
me
open.
give it a go again. Oh, that sounds crunchy.
It's a little crunchy.
Sounds a little crunchy.
Oh, there we go. There we go. Well, you really got to make sure you cut it. There it is.
Pizza for you.
Pizza is served.
I'll just cut myself a slice. Okay, the bottom's a little burnt.
Yeah, this whole thing is definitely a little overcooked.
Okay, it was a little hot. Wow, oh, crunchy. Well, all right, this little pizza box oven did cook the pizza. It was a little too hot, so we followed the instructions. We could have turned it down a little bit, but we didn't know. That's what it said to do. And the steam coming out of it, I know that helps it cook. It just kind of scared me because you really can't have anything near it. So it gets really, really hot. We're gonna let that cool down, and we're gonna bring out the last pizza oven, and I think you may love it because it makes mini pizzas.
I'm so excited.
They're mini, they're like my size.
It makes little fun party pizzas.
This is the last pizza oven that we're gonna test today. Now this gadget is a fun one. It makes mini pizzas and it kind of looks like that traditional...
Like a traditional stone pizza oven.
Yes,
It's
that.
smaller than that. Those ones are giant, but this one makes little mini pizzas.
Yes, now this is called a Pizzaret, and I'm really hoping it's gonna work. I feel like it would be perfect for a pizza party.
Oh, definitely.
Because look, it says you can make like 6 little mini pizzas.
You want to open it up?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, this box is huge. There's the lid. Oh my goodness, the stone.
A pizza stone! A pizza stone!
This is cool. Not sure what this is, but you can hold that. There's that. This definitely goes on here.
That sounds heavy duty, and I like it. Look, all these options, Mike.
So many options.
So many. You can make so many pizzas in here.
We could have 4 more friends over.
Look at all this!
Wow, spatulas for days.
I don't know why I wanted to touch it, just to feel if it was like real clay or whatever. It totally is.
And then you just plug them in, and it preheats for 15 minutes. And while it's doing that, I feel like we can make our little pizzas.
Got little doughs, and this is to be the right size,
Yeah.
like the pizza cutter, like a cookie cutter. So I'm just gonna cut this a little bit smaller. Mine were almost the right size.
You almost eyeballed it pretty good, actually.
Just gonna load them, load them, load them. Yeah. All right, load them up. Oh, whoa, I almost dropped it.
I'm gonna let you do it so we don't have any dropped pizzas.
Okay.
It says you can cook it on the spatula or you can put it right on the pizza stone. I think
Wait,
we're
you
gonna...
cook it on the spatula?
It says you can if you want to.
Oh,
It says you can do either. Okay, let's see if I can get mine in there.
hit a different angle. I'm gonna leave that in there.
No, I'm gonna try it on the spatula.
Yeah, I'm gonna try that one with it on. Oh, he's falling out. No, now he's falling out. Ooh, time.
4 minutes on the clock.
Let's see. Ding! Time's up. It's been about 7 minutes, so we're gonna take out our pizzas.
Okay.
Some of them have cooked on here. And we also forgot to dock these.
This is why you dock your pizzas, people.
The dough is a little bit all over the place, but look, that looks cool.
Yeah, that looks fun. Let's see what the other ones look like.
Okay, how do we get that little one? Oh no, come out here.
There we
Come
go.
out of here.
There we go. Okay.
Yes! Okay, I wanna see the bottom of these, because even though I forgot to dock them, okay, that's a nice golden brown. It's a golden brown color, light golden brown. What color?
It's a little soft.
A little soft. Okay, maybe they could have cooked a little longer, but we're gonna try our last pizza cutter gadget. Mike, I'm gonna have you do this.
Okay.
This is called Pizza Peddler.
Pizza peddler.
And it's a little monkey, and it looks like he's riding a unicycle.
Yeah.
And it says that he'll cycle his way through your pizza, and his legs move as you cut.
Great. All right.
Okay, can you reach this?
Oh my gosh, this little guy, he's ready. All right, we are going to try the pizza peddler. He's kind of odd to hold. I'm not really sure.
How do you hold it?
I feel like you want to look like he's riding a
Yeah, you want to see
unicycle.
his little legs, but I feel like you hold him at an angle.
There we go.
Did his legs move?
I mean,
I didn't
barely.
even see him move.
Barely. I feel like.
I really want to see his legs go. Wee, 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 wee.
I feel like
His legs not even moving.
It's not even rolling right now. There we go.
Oh, I'm so kind of disappointed by this.
It really is tough.
I saved this one for last because I thought it was going to be my favorite with his little legs moving. I had envisioned it in my head being so cute.
The novelty of the legs moving actually makes this blade not spin as good. Because look, it's not even spinning.
Okay.
You see it's sliding.
Okay, get out of here. That's a skip. That's a skip.
Yeah, I'm not into the pizza peddler.
Let's try one of these little pizzas, so.
Pizza cheers.
Cheers. Okay. Mmm. Oh, I like that.
That's really good.
That's my favorite texture so far.
Mm-hmm.
It's that pizza stone. This is my favorite texture so far. It's crispy, but not too crispy, but then the top soft. I could have cooked it a little longer, but perfect.
Yeah.
I like that.
Why have 6 people when you can just have 2 and you can eat all the pizza?
All right, that does it for this video. Those are all of the pizza gadgets that we have to try and test today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Mr. Husky, do you have a favorite pizza gadget that we did today?
I think this is pretty easy. I think it's the Pizzaret.
Same.
It's got the pizza stone.
Yes.
It's fun. You make little mini pizzas. You can watch them bake.
Yeah, and I like the texture the most. And I just like how it worked the most out of everything today. So we're on the same page about that. I love that. Again, I'm gonna be putting Husky's links down below, so go check him out, subscribe, and show him some love, and go follow him on Instagram. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell. Ding! To receive notifications every time I post a new video, because I'm making baking videos, we are trying foodie gadgets, we're making little family vlogs, all sorts of things, and I want to share that with you guys.
We'll be right back after these important messages.
Some of you may have noticed that new join button. You can now become a channel member. Becoming a member costs $2.99 a month. If you do decide to become a channel member, you will be getting some exclusives and perks. Again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you'd like to see any other videos, you can click up here.
Or you can click up here.
Or up there.
Which it's pretty fun over here.
And it's fun here too.
It's also fun over here.
And it's pretty fun there.
It's really fun.
But then it's like, well, it's
It's both. You should click on both.